Thank you, Hatzel. And right now, South Florida Congressman Mario Diaz-Balart is in quarantine after testing positive for COVID-19.
Saturday evening, I started feeling pretty bad. I started getting just intense headache and fever. I feel like when you have a flu and then you get over it, and so you're left with being just weak because you've had a fever and then with a lingering cough.
Diaz-Balart describing his symptoms there, but telling us he's recovering. He was just on the House floor Saturday passing the family's first bill. Diaz-Balart says he came into contact with literally hundreds of people there. Health officials now trying to track down those people to see if they've been infected. As of now, Utah Rep. Ben McAdams has also tested positive for the virus.